Hey, welcome back everybody. Good to see you again. Alright, Hillbilly Hellfire. These guys are cool. AI stuff. It's pretty neat. Truck Driver Blues. I wanted to do this one because, well, back in the day, I drove 18-wheeler for 15 years. And I actually enjoyed it. But anyway, that's the reason I wanted to see this video here, because it's trucking. So anyway, hey, while you're here, like, subscribe, and share. I appreciate it. Let's not hold this up any longer. Hillbilly Hellfire and Truck Driver Blues. Let's go.
State 40, coffee's getting cold in a styrofoam cup. Another 1,000 miles before I can rest. Dawn's breaking early, but this night won't give up. These truck driver blues that keep on driving me.
Yeah, get out of my way.
Far as the eye can see. Steel horse humming, she's my circles. Will this road ever end? Missed my boy's birthday for the 3rd year straight. Load's got to make it to Memphis by 8. Radio's playing some old Haggard song, reminding me of everything that went wrong. These truck driver blues, they keep on driving me. Something yet to come. These white lines and mile markers, they're the only truth I know.
Uh-oh, DOT got him.
Stars are fading in the morning light. Another day begins, and in this lonely night, but somewhere between the diesel and the dawn, I found a kind of peace to carry on. These truck driver blues that keep on driving me down every highway far as the eye can see. Steel horse humming, she's my
probably not.
These truck driver blues, they keep on driving me.
Truck Driver Blues. Well, yeah, you get them. You do get the driver blues, that's for sure. That was rather jamming. I like that stuff, man. Got all kind of stuff in there with Hillbilly Hellfire. Banjo, fiddle, mandolin. It's all in there. And I believe it's all done in AI. I do believe. I'm not sure. I don't know if they have any live performances or not, but it'd be interesting to see. Anyway, leave us comments. Let me know what you think. And we shall continue. Like, subscribe, and share. It's free. Gets videos to you. Greatly appreciated. And I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. I'll see you.